Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wolfie token. Name of the token is Wolfie, W-U-L-F-Y, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now, last night I saw this token pop up and it was doing very well. It's a brand new token, it just came out last night, and then this morning I wake up still doing very well, doing even better actually. Right now it's trending number 17 in the Solana section on DEX Screener. This is a Solana meme coin, another dog meme coin, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it looks like, had a pre-sale here on pinksale.finance, so it must have been a successful pre-sale. I just pulled it up on Pinksale. They actually have a full audit that you could find on Pinksale there. It's probably on their webpage as well. It was a public pre-sale with a minimum buy of 0.1 SOL, max buy 10 SOL. And looks like they pre-sale is over and they reached their goal. Sold 5,000 SOL worth of tokens, which is $956,000. So they did very well on their pre-sale here. And yeah, they have a audit by Analytics Audit. You can view that on Pinksale. So this is what it says on Pinksale here. It says tax 0 and 0. So if you are going to buy this token off a DEX, you won't have to worry about slippage. They had no whitelisting for the pre-sale, no private sale. It says top KOL and partners on board. So obviously, you know, I repeat to people all the time that nobody pays me, you know, besides Google ads or whatever. Nobody pays me to make these videos. I am not considered a, you know, paid KOL or whatever you want to call it. But if you go to their webpage here, yeah, basically all my videos are just information, no shilling whatsoever. So if you go to their webpage, though, you will see a bunch of these KOLs, their videos on Wolfy.me. So they have, you know, a couple of people you recognize from just, you know, all over the place, especially this guy from Pinksale here all the time. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos. So I'm definitely late to the party making a video on this token. But, you know, whatever. It's still doing very well, and it basically just came out on Raydium. So that's why we're talking about it today, and it's trending. So it says top KOL plus partners onboarded, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap pre-listing, LBank Central Exchange listing confirmed, so you're going to find this token soon on LBank. Twitter and Telegram campaigns, AveDex logo, number 1, Dex Tools logo. Now they have buybacks, marketing, experienced team, Soul trending, Moon Talk, 50 plus channels updated, CN token, Dex Screener, Stockwits, etc. So I did notice today that they have been doing some marketing on Dex Screener, so they're already following through with a bunch of the things that they said already. So if you go over to Dex Screener, they have the Marketing Boost Ads button live there, 500 lightning bolts, and it's working because they're trending number 17. They're up 181% today, doing very well. Market cap is $4.1 million right now, and today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $2.7 million. They've had 16,260 transactions just today, and they have here $669,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. And this token was just, the pair was just created on Raydium 15 hours, 12 minutes ago. So if you missed the pre-sale, I mean, whatever, right now, it's still within the first 24 hours of coming out on the decentralized exchange. But you never know what could happen, so just be aware. You know, a lot of, sometimes pre-sales, people buy in the pre-sale and they do that just to sell once the token goes up after it launches on DEXs. So just be aware of, you know, all the things that could happen. But it says, Wolfie is the ultimate meme, the origin, the essence, the beginning, and the end. And if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find, is it on their Twitter here? Yes, it's right on the Twitter right there, at Wolfie_Sol, you would trade your Sol for the Wolfie token. They have 238 posts, blue verified checkmark, and as I said earlier, it says no taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. 3,119 followers, and if you look right there, there's a full link tree on this Twitter, so that's basically just going to take you anywhere you need to go. And it says, inside Elon, there are 2 wolves, so that's what this meme is based off of, basically, and that's why you'll see Elon's picture, you know, in the banners and whatnot. So it says, high quality meme project on Solana, building a community of dreamers, creators, and meme lovers. Join the Wolfie pack and let's howl to the moon together. And they have a Telegram you can follow as well at Wolfie_Sol. They have 2,181 subscribers on that Telegram. So welcome to Wolfie. Wolfie isn't just another meme coin, it's a trailblazer in crypto, uniting the world under one fun and fearless symbol. And on their webpage, if you go over to wolfie.me, you can create your own Wolfie meme. Who said wolves and lambs can't be besties? This adorable baby wolf is rewriting the rules, choosing playtime over prey, and it's taking the space by storm. The heart-melting moment is on the way, and it's going to the moon, making everyone smile along the way. Are you ready to join the cutest ride of the year? Hop on and spread the love. So their partners are CN Token, Jupiter, Raydium, DEX Screener, Presale, and DexView. They have a button to buy on the webpage. Go check it all out, wolfie.me. Check out the Twitter right here with all the links in that link tree. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.